Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share my simple and delicious ghee rice recipe. It's a fragrant and flavorful dish that's perfect for any occasion. So let's get started. Start by washing 1 cup of basmati rice until the water runs clear. This helps remove excess starch. Then soak the rice in water for at least 15 minutes. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a cooker until it melts. Instead of using whole spices, I prefer adding a pinch of garam masala towards the end as it won't disturb while eating. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds along with cashew and dry grapes. Fry until the dry grapes turn plumpy. Now add sliced onions, slit green chilies, and chopped mint leaves. Saute for a minute and add diced carrots. Now, add the drained rice to the cooker along with salt and saute for a few seconds until any excess moisture is gone. Sprinkle a pinch of garam masala, add 1 cup of water, mix well, and close the cooker lid. Cook on a high heat for 2 whistles, but keep in mind that the timing depends on the cooker and the rice quality. Once the pressure settles, open the cooker and fluff the rice. Your aromatic ghee rice is ready to be served. Enjoy it hot, perhaps with some delicious chicken fry or veg curry of your choice. That's how I make ghee rice my way. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for watching.